stop sign, and you have to know which of the three you'll be using before you come to a complete stop. If there is a solid white or yellow line, the front bumper of your vehicle must stop completely behind such line. If there is no line, but there is a usable sidewalk, the front bumper must stop completely behind the sidewalk. If there is no white line or usable sidewalk, the front bumper must stop at the edge of the roadway. Check properly, then leave when it's safe to do so. This is a one-way street sign, meaning you can only drive in the direction